ungrooved. This feeling so grand. Where is the dog in this delightful land? Happy barks echoed a joyful sound. Danny the Dalmatian spinning around. Woo, woo, disco dog. Danny the dog, spots black and white. Oh yeah. Chasing Dexter Dragonfly, shining so bright. Zoom, 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 Daphne the Duck with the bow on her head. Dance delight's coming, it's what she said. Party time, decorations dazzling for everyone's cheer. Daytime dance party is finally here. Get down, get down. Delivery van came, a dandy surprise. A big box delivered right before their eyes. What's inside? My disco balls here, Daphne quacked with delight. To make our dance dazzling and sparkle all night. Shine on. A Danny rushed in with a happy box sound. Bump the big box, crack on the ground. Oh no, oh no. The disco ball shattered, a terrible sight. Oh dear, Daphne was crying with all of her might. So sad, so sad. Danny felt awful, his tail hanging low. I'm so very sorry, I didn't quite know. Guilty dog, the dance seemed all doomed. No sparkle, no gleam, just a broken disco ball, a shattered dream. No groove, no groove. Dewdrops and petals, they glued on the grace. Sparkle on nature kiss, disco ball for this dancing place. So cool, it shivered and shone with a natural dazzle. Better than new, no more trouble or hassle. Brand new crew. Danny apologized after a night depart. Daphne forgave him a brand new fresh start. Friends again. The new ball was hung, glued on the brace. Oh wow. Nature kiss, disco ball for this dancing place. So cool, it disappeared. Zaza caught it with glee. Letter D found for the whole world to see. Got the D, the party began with the joyful D sound. Dancing and grooving all over the ground. Dance, dance, dance. The new ball was hung, reflection so bright. Oh wow, landed on a daffodil with magical light. It's magic that disappeared. Zaza caught it with glee. Letter D found for the whole world to see. Got the D, the party began with the joyful D sound. Dancing and grooving all over the ground. Dance, dance, dance. Zaza said goodbye to his delightful crew. See you later, off to find E with adventures anew. Disco Zaza, yeah, keep on moving. Disco.